Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log out of T3 Arena game. If you want to log out of T3 Arena on your mobile device, then follow along till the end of the video. First of all, launch open the T3 Arena app on your device, and once logged into the home page, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Options. Under Options, click on Account from the left-hand menu. You will then be able to see a logout button right next to Current Account. Tap on it and then click on Accept in the pop-up, and that way you will be able to log out of T3 Arena right away. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.